Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM no. Even if we stay in a position for 50 years, one day the MPP will return. MP will return. Finally, Ebushafo Chairman won't to me asem no. Ewa court. And we really want to go too much into the merits of the case. But there is something interesting, an interesting perspective that has come up, and I wanted to bring to your attention. Ubisa NDC said, why have they taken Chairman Wontumi to court? The issue is simple. Almost say Chairman Wontumi has gone for a concession as a plot of land for mining. Now, Chairman Wontumi Ankasano is not mining as at now on that plot, but on the part of the concession, Amma, that is why NDC people have taken Chairman Wontumi to court. I said, Chairman Wontumi says that no, that very place, no, I'm not working there. We are doing reclamation. They say they are planting trees and stuff for the land to go back to its original state. And Obi Bia assassin so illegal money, no. Truly, no, has not been given permission from me Wontumi. But NDC are buying say, penny, that is why they are in court. NDC 4 again, they went around, and said there were some concessions. Something similar was going on at. And there is one concession now moving Adamu concession. They went there, okay, and they took away their license. Why did they take away their license? They took away their license because as part of concession now, they have given part of it to illegal miners to use. Right now, license from Munsem. But there is one particular mine. One particular mine, the same thing is ongoing, but because some mine no there, NDC need DNT. They are not talking. The government came out to give 120 days ultimatum to a mining concessionaire or Bogosu, Heath Goldfieds. Say they should stop allowing galamseyers on their concession. As you are speaking, Sir Heath Goldfieds, no, galamseyers are working on their concession. Yeah, galamseyers are working on their concession. Does government know about this? Your mama, His Excellency, do you know about this? Sir Papa also Okosunya no say Papa Sengra Minister Ama Kofi Boa, are you aware, say, Heath Goldfieds, no, galamseyers are working as part of the concession that government has given. You yourself, you know, because you have given Heath Goldfieds 120 days to stop that. They have not complied. Why have you not gone for their license too? She said, Ghana, no, it has become like a jungle. The law does not apply to everybody, you, Debbie. The law applies to only people who are MPP or people who are vulnerable, who are Wuniska. That's why we are MPP. The law only applies to you. The moment you have some bond with NDC 4D, feel free to destroy Nature Ghana, Mother Ghana. Destroy whatever you want to destroy. But we are still reminding NDC 4 say, Crime has no expiry date. Crime has no expiry date. Today you are in power. You can do it, get away with it. But crime has no expiry date. No matter what, MPP is going to come back to power.
In fact, na hire yesuye. Yentumi nya hwe awodwom. Ukwa abetena wasa, ubeda wufa abetena wako. Ba de kakra we no. Makati ni washi. Makati no ekoyi. Eni ye mi se ma so say nice na papa say. Trouble with Sonia Duma. In fact, Yadamase power the omobi amai. It is amai where the person entina or da maya. No money a kunu and woman Duma and your fat. Because I've been sure about Galamse, no name that is one to me. Mine's no one put your shop fan or funnel. No, she gave my even a blah. Now, as I have something else, in fact, Prestea, they say I drop of town, and run a dry. But we are told that them go for work out of the money. You want it there. Yet a hit my day. The back forward and the president. As soon as the man you have now, the man is able to whatever demonstration, a press conference. Young Yam and the people. These are some of the funding for that development. Heath Goldfieds, why you do this kind of work? They don't let you come off. Nelson Taylor, I didn't you are not so what for workers in what? Yeah, you know where to come on. They won't go in hospital. What's over here? You already come for Nelson Taylor. What's over here? Go back for workers, community, over 80%. What do you do? What's any time you go in Abu? Maybe you community will be a young man, you know, making come. But I be a mess out there, I don't know. You call your beer or take yourself answer. Yes, stop on there. You some boy Heath Goldfieds. On one was that him. No, you mice and a government no easy. And a government no easy. Somebody will do easy for you. There are some there. Heath Goldfieds get away. Now that's what Heath must stay. And they have seen it here as part of the concession to the community. Focus on community, social community, human community, and modern community. Well, so at the moment, there's no problem. And I think the company is doing well in terms of employment. They are employing the local. We have community and the company agreement in terms of employment, which the community benefits 60% from any employment that they do. So at the moment, there's no problem at all. In terms of access, the community came and executives and the community assembly leaders and expertise. There's a task force at the moment. Those are working on that part. Honorable Abdullah Rafael, assembly members from Bogos, we came all the way from Bogos to support the solidarity work. No matter what. So we people should be aware the way you are using power. And now Ghana say, you know, I saw something and I was shocked. Very, very shocked. And let me see if I can get it quickly. This thing. Let's look on the screen. Let's read together. District headquarters, Ghana Police Service, right? And date is there. Now the letter is addressed to Mr. Shamna, Northeast Region, Lambisi. These are your names. Let's read the content of the letter we shall for. Invitation. The district police commander wishes to invite you, Mr. Shamna, to assist in an ongoing investigation relating to a WhatsApp post you made on a
platform yesterday, Friday, 24th April 2026, at about 7:56 a.m. against Honorable MCE for Nalerigu Gambaga, Mr. David Bukari, to wit, disgrace MC. Does he even fit to be an MC himself? If not Nalerigu Gambaga without any provocation, please, you are kindly requested to report to the district commander to talk peace and assist in investigation on Tuesday, 28th April 2026, counting on your cooperation. Ebujanvo. Ebujanvo. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. Let's see. Obia control WhatsApp page to say MC way there. One bomb papa. Na enye na Nalerigu Gambaga anka we always my MC. Because of that, a whole district police commander actually let us say ongoing investigation. This is how low you've sunk under this NDC government. Nothing like freedom of speech any longer. Hey, the kind of words people use on Akufo-Addo, and you say MC impo on Akufo-Addo, ebini. We were in this town, Mary Ewusi. Sam Mary Ewusi. Let me look for the tape and play for you. That woman called Dr. Mahama Bawumia said, "Oh yeah, this will be autistic," and nobody went to arrest her. Yeah, that woman. So a woman, I don't even know if I should call her a woman. She deserves to be called a woman. That woman had the gut to say the way Dr. Mahama Bawumia Kasano, okay, so be autistic. Nobody. But NDC for edge or let a man for say Obiako said or a disgrace. Or it's actually let a man. I have to play the tape for you so that you hear what that woman said about Dr. Mahama Bawumia. Yeah, and even here crown. No one has asked her to come and account for whatever. Give me a minute. Let me see if I can fetch it for you. No, I think I've lost it. I'll look for it. Please send your request. Let's talk briefly for the next 15 minutes, and then let me see if I can sleep now. Let's talk briefly. As you know, platform way a pro MPP platform. Okay, well on your MPP Nino. In a comment section, right? But while we are MPP, feel free to request. I'll pick you. Let's have a conversation. It's me. Good evening, good morning, and you have 5 minutes. Let's go.
Good. Good morning, Branty. And that is saying,
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, sir.
Okay. Akasana, yeah, man, who say. Obi besi hwan na aye ne ane aye MPP for so rekoto aba na o ma anya ye nto aba na Akufo-Addo ne second term no kra ndi onya aye no nga say Mahama antimi enya ne second term of 2020 de no ka Mahama antimi me president ka anya hwe kwan kan MPP be beat ni be 200,000 nti men to aba no people for hwe na wan to aba kwase be kwa ko decide the president bi aba betena wo so gide metimi aka ne say dun so no amaye hu onyankopon ni munyam NDC for so wo mo ko no wo mo so wo dum so
Tama na Kufuado be dear no anango nkani ni gyina so no. Say ye ne ane ye solve ya nsa na ye ko MPP for onye hwe. Ene de akwan omfa so solve ya wo mja akoye na. Ho mu ntimi mfa so ensolve bi mu na still dum so okoso. Nti no ema sese no ebema anipa ni ada ho na ye hunu sede o musitia. Na me de bia meka me se o ma no a aduru se ni nyina no eye NDC fo. Yenya runs mani be di 19 years. Yemusa adwuma pa company ba ko esi Ghana ene nipa komu koye adwuma ebetimi de yensa ato so se runs ni ja enewe. Anya hwe ko for time yenya YE ko for time yenya school feeding ko for time anya hwe yenya NHS enipa eneni na nyina nipa wo free abam no enipa ekomu koye adwuma. Eba ya na ndisi for opre omunya akonwa na me na meye YE boss me na meye say ye musa se wo mu no eje na runs ja ho a ene nipa timi ko fa se wo de ye adwuma na Kufuado eba ya hunya free education yanya planting for food yanya ene ye ni hwe kra no free education e kreti adwuma because school bia mu ye no anuane ma school bia mu ne ye pamantare ene omba e omugu no enti sa NDC no nye ready so mbebo Ghana na em say eye youth no aba no ya na masom ye mu de ye no de ye ni NDC time runs beje no 1981 obetu liman ebe sister amri no ye musa say adwuma ni Ghana hwan obi odi 19 years hwan ye mfa adwuma mo no so NDC ni betwa ho no ho abeka se na Kufuado ba won kreti adwuma ba kokora ye musa adwuma ben na runs kreti ni 19 years ansa no wo di be wu ana wo di be fra konwa so wo Ghana wo di 19 good years enti Ghana no de se ye de ni to NDC so ne ye se NDC na be Ghana ya se ya na be hu Ghana President Mahama bie na no kan time o ye campaign wo se munnim na moto abama NDC bie mu a de o be chance country ni aton ti se Ghana no mpa ye na se nipa bo se ma mo mpa ya ada se ye beton country no na ye di entra babu si nimdi a me mani Ghana for ni nimdi. Sometimes I know deep in so catch on so more short memory because of my lecturers womb a suffer form pennyful womb a doctor for womb him for when me and Cassa Sabi I Ghana for binum was it Ghanaians have short memory it is more him for a more suffer and in anyone was a suffer baby Jacassa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Benyasi. What do you mean, dear? Was in Yankopon? Yamin or free him Yami Bang. Ya tena wani ya nyame Ghana nyame anase Israel nyame ana nyame ben hwa sam no ikura wo no kura ka che se mo hwa se na de ni pa yesi emu bi na che se yemu bi ni che se nyame doso Israel nyame ne ka che Israel fo se hwe no mo enya nyame fofo anka me ho Israel nyame no nti Ghana ye ni nyame enti wo se hwan nyame ben na ne kasa ya wo be kase Dr. Mahmoud Bawia na we ya ka che na NDP fo wo mu kukusa na NDC no wo munya presidential candidate ndi wo hu ni wo ba be wene abeye presidential candidate na mum de wo mayi presidential candidate mum ne be lusu de onya ma ndi wo lusu Ghana for adwiri su sente no NDC for de mo anipa adwi be di agrosa Mahama wie na adwuma de wo ba be di na de ne yenya hu no ono no batimi aba be biti alaji mamu ba wo mu ya ma wo no anya 44 so wo munim ne wo ma hyehye on be wiem wo ma yo ma dwe so on be wi abam ana wo mu wia wo be omo be den ebia mo we ne kwa ye mfa mamu because last year na Kufuado beje akonwa sa atante he amfra na Mahama so wonko mu de mu nim ne ma esi ye ntina sometimes no say ya na ye ka say peace year e wo Ghana kura sa papa no anya ono a ka no so wonko da because a man ko sa be say no say ai MPP for afa kwan bi so na ntina ko be say no ne ya sa akoto bi sa me na Charlotte say na wo na sante hene friend no say no ntimi nya ne sa esa country no be yi wo mo kasa ya ono abie na no abie na no aka say wo mo share them 3 days for conversation dia na no wo mo ka enti bia wo mai wo ma dwen say wo mo lusu kura wo mo nko enti mo prepare say mu ko yi executives na mu nye executives wo mo ni